Welcome to this Learn2Learn presentation about report writing. Reports and essays are common types of academic writing. It is important to understand the difference between them. Reports have an obvious structure. They have section headings and may use bullet points, numbering, graphs, and other things you would not usually find in an essay. Reports are functional documents for a specific purpose in workplaces and study environments. An essay, on the other hand, shares a point of view on a topic and contains opinions, backed up by evidence, to try to convince readers to agree with the writer. Reports can be used in different contexts, ranging from business to science and research. The common feature is that they all detail an investigation of an issue or topic and contain factual information rather than opinions. Reports vary in structure, but the headings listed here are relatively common. These will be described in more detail. This is an example of a research report title page. As you would expect, the project title, author, and date are set out here. The executive summary, sometimes called an abstract, contains a summary of the entire report. It is useful for readers to gain a quick overview of the report contents. They can appraise whether the report is what they are looking for without having to read the whole document. Your tutor will let you know if they require an executive summary in any report that you are asked to write. The table of contents is usually found in longer reports. They guide the reader as to where the main sections of the report are. The body of the report has a number of sections which depend on the purpose. Generally, the sections needed for your report will be prescribed in assessment instructions or rubrics. Tutors will advise you of specific expectations they may have. The reference section lists information sources used in the report. References and citations acknowledge these sources and help the reader to personally explore the source material if they wish. At Toyoho Mai, we use APA-style referencing. Appendices contain additional information which may be useful to the reader, but which is not essential to understand the report itself. If a visual such as a table, graph, map or photograph is needed to help the reader to understand a point in the report, it should be included in the body of the report and labelled. Tables are labelled above and everything else is labelled below. Add 1 or 2 sentences to explain what the visual shows.